So today we are basically going to start with the revision quiz of political parties, chapter number 6, right? Okay, this is of civics or economics?
Civics.
Good. Okay, so when we are starting with this revision quiz, I'll ask a question to a child, to you, one of you, and rest of you, if knowing the answer, can send me the answer in a chat box. Please don't unmute yourself by your side, accept my instructions. Okay? If I am asking to Kashish, only Kashish will unmute and answer. Rest of the students, if know the answer, can reply me in chat box. If I tell you to unmute yourself and answer, then only you have to unmute yourself and answer. Okay? So let's start with the first question. So first question is for Akansha. Okay? Akansha, why do political parties involve partisanship? Why do Yes, definitely. Why do political parties involve partisanship?
One party for a longer time.
Okay, fine. Okay, I would like Twara to please elaborate.
Partisanship is a policy made by government through amending the constitution, because at the time partisanship was not there. Many elected leaders changed their party and the majority would fluctuate. So they means government amended the constitution and involve partisanship in that, so that any elected representative can't change his or her party, or else his or her means that seat would be gone.
Okay. Yeah, exactly. That they are part of the society and it reflects their fundamental political divisions. And that's why they are basically known for the part they stand for and the support, the policies which are being made. So to increase this political support and their in their society, what they uphold with the population, what they uphold with the citizens, that is the need why partisanship should be involved. Okay. So, next question is for Krishna Chimnani. Which of the following is the most visible institutions in a democracy? I repeat, which of the following is the most visible institutions in a democracy? Leaders, political parties, government, or people? Which of the following is the
And
most
leaders.
visible? Okay, leader. No, Krishna. It's not leader. Yes, Sneha.
Political parties.
Yes, Sneha is absolutely correct. It is political party which is the most visible institutions in a democracy. Okay.
Membership.
Dhruva, how many social parties are registered with the Election Commission of India?
More than 750.
Yes, very absolute correct. More than 750. Okay. Krishna, please listen to the question very carefully and answer will be given by Kashish. Question, Krishna, ध्यान से सुनना. A political party has to satisfy the following criteria to be recognized as a national party. Okay, and your options are 6 votes of total votes in Lok Sabha or assembly elections of 4 states, at least 6 Lok Sabha seats, 12% votes of total votes in Lok Sabha, at least 12 Lok Sabha seats. Which of the option is correct, Kashish?
A.
Yes, absolutely, it's A. समझ आया Krishna why I told you to listen it carefully? Right? It's your one of the solution to that question. 6% votes of total votes in Lok Sabha or assembly elections of 4 states gives you the recognition of national party. Clear, Krishna? Yes. Okay. Next question is for Aditi. How many political parties were recognized as national parties in 2006? How many political parties were recognized as national parties in 2006 in India? लिखा है no, it's not 8. It's 6. 6 political parties were recognized in India in 2006. Okay. Next question is for Meet. Okay, Meet. How many Lok Sabha constituencies are there in India at present? How many Lok Sabha constituencies are there in India at present? लोक सभा में नियरली 545 to 550 तक members होते हैं, but present here we have 540. Right? Next question is for Sania. What is the guiding philosophy of Bharatiya Janata Party? What is the guiding philosophy of Bharatiya Janata Party?
Don't know, ma'am.
Okay, so who knows? Who would like to try? Please raise your hand. Very good, Krishna. Yes, please.
Its philosophy is to build a strong and modern India by the teachings of ancient India.
Very good. Yes, by maintaining the civil code, by maintaining the religious importance, culture, they want to make India modern. मॉडर्न इंडिया बनाने के लिए उनका ये मोटो नहीं है कि पुराना जो है हमारा रिलीजन कल्चर उसको भूल जाए, राइट? इट्स नॉट एट ऑल लाइक दैट. दे वांट टू बिल्ड द सेम, they want to build the modern India by keeping the values on. Yes. Next question is for Twara. She is laughing a lot. I don't know why. What is the requirement laid down by Election Commission for a political party to be recognized as state party?
एक बार रिपीट करो ना.
Yes.
Connection.
What is the requirement laid down by the Election Commission for a political party to be recognized as a state party? And yes, Krishna, please answer the question.
6% of total votes and 2 seats in the legislative assembly.
Yes, perfect. 6% of total votes and at least 2 seats in legislative assembly will give the political party to be recognized as a state party. Clear? Please keep your video on. Next question is for Kashish. Area-wise, which is the largest Lok Sabha constituency in India? The students who know answer can give me the answer in chat box. No, Krishna. Largest Lok Sabha constituency in India? No, Rishika. Yes, Akansha, can you please say the answer?
Ladakh.
Yes, it's Ladakh was the largest constituency, right? Okay. Next question is for Rishika. Which party system does India follow? Sneha, you can give your answer in chat box. I'm coming to you. Yes, Krishna, you are right. Yes, Kashish, you are right. Rishika, please turn on your video. Yes, Dhruva, you are right. Absolutely correct.
Ma'am,
Rishika,
question repeat.
which party system does India follow? Please keep your video on.
Ma'am, democracy.
No.
Multi-
Kashish, to please say the answer.
Ma'am, the chat box में भेजा है.
Right, Sneha, this question will be answered by you. The Bharatiya Janata Party, that is BJP, came to power in 1998 as the leader of Dash. So, Dhruva, this question is for you. Elections held to fill a vacancy caused by the death or any other house is known as Dash elections. Elections held to fill a vacancy caused by the death or any other house is called Dash elections. No idea? They are called by-elections. Your question was what are by-elections, but मैंने answer को question बना दिया. So your questions can be twisted in any way. Okay? Okay. Next question. Twara, please don't talk while you are in the class. Next question is for Aditi. Kanshi Ram is the founder of Dash Party. It's Bahujan Samajwadi Party. Yes, Neha, you are also right. Right? Okay, next question is for Sania. What is partisan?
When a person is truly dedicated to a party, strong, then don't change the party.
Yes, he loves to he knows and he balanced view of an issue का उसको example idea होता है. Right? Okay, next question is for Kashish. Name the oldest recognized political party of India. Oldest recognized political party of India.
Congress.
Yes, but उसका पूरा नाम बोलना जरूरी है. क्योंकि उसके पूरे नाम में थोड़ा सा अलग है. Yes, Krishna?
National Congress.
Yes. Still one word is missing. Yes, Krishna.
Indian National Congress.
Yes, it's Indian National Congress. Okay. So next question is for Dhruva. What are leftiest parties?
Can you repeat?
What are leftist parties? Leftist parties.
The opposition party.
No. Leftist parties. Same question is carry forward to Twara. What are leftist parties? No idea? It's an open question. Whoever knows can unmute, raise hand and just go for it. Leftist parties.
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, Akansha, you can.
Ma'am, those political party who support poor.
Exactly, you're perfect. You're 100% true. The parties who support poor, downtrodden part of society, they are known as leftist parties. जो पुअर डाउनट्रोडन सोसाइटीज को सपोर्ट करते हैं उनको लेफ्टिस्ट पार्टीज कहा जाता है. वेरी गुड, सो
Ma'am,
प्राउड.
spelling of leftist.
L-E, I repeat the question. What is the symbol of Samajwadi Party? It's a cycle. समाजवादी पार्टी का सिंबल है साइकिल. Next question is for Sania. Yeah. Which state has the maximum recognized political parties? Sorry, regional parties. Which state has the maximum recognized regional parties?
And maybe Kerala.
Oh, very near. Yes, definitely. It's Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has the very maximum recognized regional parties. Okay. So next question is for Krishna. Name any two regional parties of West Bengal. Yes, Dhruva, I would like you to say the answer.
Ma'am, Socialist Revolutionary Party and Trinamool Congress.
Yes, and another one is Forward Bloc. Right? ये भी आप बोल सकते हो. Okay. So now I'd like to ask Kashish, when was CPIM founded? CPI means Communist Party of India. Marxist was founded. Akansha, yes, you can say the answer.
1964.
Perfect, it's 1964. Name the political party who wants full territorial and political integration of Jammu and Kashmir with India. I repeat the question. Name the political party who wants full territorial and political integration of Jammu and Kashmir with India. Yes, Krishna, you are absolutely right. Aditi, you are also right. Aditi, can you please say the answer?
BJP.
Yes, it's Bharatiya Janata Party. हाँ, एक त्वरा और एक कशिश दोनों को.
मैम मैंने क्या किया?
वही तो बात है कि कुछ नहीं किया.
दे तो रही हूँ जवाब.
हाँ, जो क्वेश्चन आपको पूछ रहे उसी का जवाब नहीं मालूम, बाकी सबको पूछ रहे वो जवाब मालूम है.
मैम मैं दिया.
मैम ने दिया. वाह,
आंसर बताया.
वाह 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 वाह, बहुत अच्छे. Okay. So next question is for Sneha. Sneha. Okay. Sneha, next question. Any 5 measures to reform political parties? 5 measures to reform political parties. Anya, you can answer the question. Yes, Krishna.
Yes, ma'am. The firstly, Supreme Court can pass the order to deposit the affidavit of every political leader or something or member. Secondly, the elections shall be held regularly in a commission.
Okay.
Thirdly, we should have laws that the party shall not be changed by any of the members after or before the elections if they are ruling.
Okay, I'd
That's it, ma'am.
correct you somewhere, but it's a question. What measures should be taken to reform political parties? right? So to reform political parties, you have to regulate internal affairs, whatever are going inside a party, a law, and whatever things are there should be compulsory, right? Secondly, state funding. हम political parties को reform करने की बात कर रहे हैं, राइट? नेक्स्ट शुड बी स्टेट फंडिंग. जो गवर्नमेंट है वो मनी देती है पार्टीज को, सपोर्ट करते हैं इलेक्शन एक्सपेंसेस को टू अवॉइड करप्शन, राइट? सो स्टेट फंडिंग इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. थर्ड इज ऑफ प्रेशर ऑफ पब्लिक ओपिनियन. पब्लिक शुड बी रेडी, पब्लिक का प्रेशर उन पे होना चाहिए, राइट? और ये कैसे हो सकता है? बाय पेटिशंस, एगिएशंस, प्रेशर ग्रुप्स जो है, मीडिया, सोशल मीडिया. This can be the special role of expressing what the public wants. So pressure of public opinion. Fourth will be they should not be allowed with the prejudice on caste and religion. So they should not be based on any kind of, religion or caste differences. And last point is that they should ensure women participation. When a political party is reforming, they should ensure women participation. These are the 4 to 5 points which are to be taken care when a political party is to be reformed. रिफॉर्म्ड मतलब उसको फिर से बनाया जा रहा है, या उसको फिर से एक रीन्यू बोलते हैं ना हम जिस तरह से, राइट? That's yes, update बोल सकते हो. Some reservations, yes, definitely Twara, good point. Some reservations are made for women representatives, definitely. Right? So these are some points which are to be taken care when we reform a political party. Okay? So your question can be just to note down the sub points. It depends on the marking pattern. ठीक है? If it is for 3 marks, तो मैं ब्रैकेट में मेंशन करूंगी explain any 3. If it is for 5 marks, then you have to completely explain each point, each step. Okay, and it is when it is for 1 mark, you just have to note down the points. Always keep in mind, जब state या list जैसे words होते हैं, तब आपको सिर्फ उनके points list down करने होते हैं. You don't have to explain that. Right? And see beta, please don't forget to present your paper in an effective way. That's all for today. Meeting may end at any time because less than 1 minute is left. I just want to give you the last advice as paper जो आप submit करोगे उसका जो presentation है वो बहुत ही proper करना.
मैम
Yes, Kashish?
मैम आप है ना प्लीज आज तक वो प्रोजेक्ट की वो फाइल भेज देना ना, तो हम प्रोजेक्ट बनाना
Yes,
चालू करें.
definitely.
मैम
Sure. Yes,
हम
Kashish?
सप्लीमेंट्री में मतलब
हाँ, you can